Start making the inner ear of right ear. First, take out the dark pink yarn. Please note that the pink yarn comes in 2 rolls. One is darker and the other is lighter. You can see from the comparison. We will use the darker color. Use this pink yarn to make 10 chains. Tie a slip knot first. Wrap the yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook to complete a chain. Repeat 10 times. Ten chains are completed. Now you can see that 10 volts shaped stitches have been formed. Start crocheting in the second chain from hook. Start making the first round. First, an increase stitch. At this position. The first stitch of the first round. Make a marking button. Still make another single crochet in the previous stitch to complete the increase stitch. Next are 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make 4 single crochets in the last stitch. These 4 single all the crochets are in the same stitch. One, 2, 3, 4. Now we come to the other side. Continue to crochet the other half of the loop of a V-shaped stitch. Continue to make 7 single crochets in this loop. Seven single crochets are completed. Make an extra stitch in the last stitch. The first round is completed. Come to the second round. First, a medium long stitch extra stitch. Insert the needle from the position where the mark button is buckled to make our first stitch. This position. Wrap the yarn once and pass the yarn through the stitch. Pull yarn out. Form 3 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn and pull through the 3 loops on the hook at once. The first stitch is also a mark button. Continue to make a half double crochet in the same stitch to complete the half double crochet increase. Next is a double crochet increase. Wrap the yarn once and pass the loop through the stitch. Pull the yarn back. Wrap the yarn and pull through the 2 previous loops. Wrap the yarn again and pull through the 2 loops on the hook loop. Continue to make a double crochet in the same stitch and complete the double crochet increase. Complete. Next 2 chains. Continue 2 slip stitches. Pass through the next stitch. Pull the yarn through all the loops on the hook. Continue the second slip stitch. Pull the yarn through all the loops on the hook. Next is 2 chains. Five double crochet. One. Continue the second. 3. 4. 5. 4 double crochet increase. Double crochet increase means make in 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Complete the following steps according to the instructions. After completion, wrap the yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. For this, we leave a 10-inch long tail and then cut the yarn. Pull the yarn out and tighten it. The inner ear of right ease is done. Use the same method to make other ears. Start sewing the ears. Take out the inner ear and outer ear on the same side and stack them together. Note that the position of the gap should be aligned. Pass the pink yarn through the plastic needle. sew along the direction of the crochet hook. First, pass through the V-shaped stitch of the pink edge. For the blue part, I only pick up a loop in the V-shaped stitch. Continue to sew in this way, and sew one stitch for each stitch. After sewing a circle, tie a knot on it. Cut the yarn. After sewing, fold the ear in half. Use the blue yarn to sew. Sew the bottom. The ear is sewn, and finally deal with the yarn ends. Pass a loop through the adjacent place and pull the yarn ends over. Hide the yarn ends in the middle layer of the ear sewing and cut the yarn. Use the same method to make another ear.